In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear bumper side marker bulb. It's a 194. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. To access our bulb, use a small pocket screwdriver. Looking along the front area of the marker assembly, you're going to find a small slot. Carefully press this in. You're going to find a tab inside there, and once you press on it, you should be able to pry this away from the bumper cover. Now we can pull this down, twist this counterclockwise, remove the assembly, grab onto that 194 bulb, give it a little wiggle, and slide it out of the harness. There it is, friends. All right, let's take that 194 bulb and slide it into place. Make sure it's secure. Continue on by attaching it to the assembly. We'll put this in position and turn it clockwise to lock it in. Now we can take this and we're going to start rolling it in from the back side first, and then we'll roll the front in. Listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's secured. All right, at this point, you just want to test the light's functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.